Desserts. I think we all love desserts, and if you can make a dessert with very simple ingredients, there's nothing like it. Today's recipe is bread butter pudding. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the bread butter pudding, I'm using 1 loaf of brioche bread. You can use any other bread of your choice. You can even use stale bread while making this recipe. Now I'm going to mix a couple of ingredients together, starting with 2 eggs, 200 ml milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, half cup melted butter, 1 cup sugar. Mix everything until it's all well blended. Grease the tin with a little butter. I'm going to place a butter paper at the bottom. Grease the sides. Now fill the tin with the chopped bread pieces. Pour the egg milk mixture. Sprinkle some cinnamon sugar on top. This is optional. I'm just going to put a few raisins. This is optional. Close and cook on medium flame for 20 minutes. You can see the sugars caramelized beautifully. The pudding is done. Remove the cake tin, leave it out, let the pudding cool down. Meanwhile, I'm going to make a simple custard. To make the custard, I've taken 3 teaspoons of vanilla custard powder. Pour a little milk and dissolve the custard powder. So take 1 cup of milk. Once the milk is hot, add a little sugar. Give it a quick mix. Add the dissolved custard. It's instantly thickened and come together very nicely. You can turn off the stove now. So make sure the custard is a nice free-flowing, smooth, creamy mixture. Cool the custard before serving. So this bread butter pudding is more like a comfort food for me, especially on a cold day. Having a nice warm pudding with some custard or ice cream by the side can be absolutely delightful. So do try this recipe and enjoy it. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.